my Soapy family, it's Ty. This is one of my older soaps that I did, and this fig was my inspiration for it all. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys see what I did. A few of the colors that I used for this soap was Purple Vibrance from Nurture Soap. I also used some Voodoo from Mad Micas and some really red mica from Nurture Soap. And there's also some poppy seeds in there, organic poppy seeds. And I used some original cacao powder that I ordered off of Amazon and some titanium dioxide. Inside of my oils, I already have, I used Twilight from Mad Micas. I forgot about that. And the inside of my oils, I already have my goat's milk powder and my kaolin clay. And I just like to blend it up inside of my oils first, just so it's just smooth and there's no lumps. Now, my lye water is a different color. I used some coconut water and some other additives. So if you're using just plain lye water, you'd want your lye water to be clear. But when you use different additives and such, your lye water will change colors sometimes. It just depends on what your recipe is and what you're doing with your recipe. And so I strain mine just to make sure nothing extra gets inside of the soap. And we're just going to plop that right into the cup and move it to the side. I always like to hand stir in my lye water first before using my immersion blender. I don't know. I swear I can feel the magic happening underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot you guys to the music, and I will see you at the end of the video. Because I added titanium dioxide to this, I just want to hit it with the stick blender to make sure that it's completely distributed. Now I'm just going to fold in my fragrance oil. Every soap that I do, I have an original concept of what I'm trying to achieve. This soap, I don't know, just that night I just felt like sometimes when you use soap, you just go with the flow of things. And well, I changed it up a little bit and it ended up coming out really cute. It just wasn't what I originally had planned for it to be. There was a lot of attempts to get to where I got. This glitter that I'm using is Vixen from Nurture Soap Supplies. I got it. Well, I don't think I got it as a sample. I think I ordered it as a sample. And purple's my favorite color. And I mean, you guys, it's just gorgeous. Like, if I like to bathe in glitter, I would bathe in this glitter. It's just breathtaking. I already think purple's breathtaking, but... And it was my first time actually getting to use it. Although I like purple, I don't use it a lot. And this was my finished product. It looks like a patch of a whole bunch of dirty figs, and that's where the name came from. And if you have me on Instagram, you will be able to see even more exclusive cuts of this soap. But here is the cut. If you aren't following me on Instagram, or if you haven't liked the Facebook page yet, please go and do so. And if you haven't subscribed, please join our Soapy family. We all would love to have you here. Until next time, you guys, see you later.